Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone speakers sound too low. So here I will show you some methods which will definitely work for you. First of all, open your settings of your iPhone, then just go to the accessibility, and once you go here you will see a lot of options. Go and click on touch, right? And here make sure that it is in the automatic section, not in Bluetooth headset or speaker, right? So this is the first method. Now let's go to the second method. Now here you have to get back to your settings. Now here you will see this option of hearing devices. Click on it. Now here make sure that the hearing aid compatibility is turned off, just like here on the screen. Right now again just get back to your settings here. Now this is a third method. Now here you have to go and click on sound and haptics. So once you go here, you will get this option. Make sure that if it is an 80 decibel, it's fine. This is normal, but you can increase up to 90. But don't increase to the full because in a long run it can damage your ears, right? So make sure you can just research more which is best for you, right? And you can set it up to. So this is it. I hope you found this all the three methods very useful. If you did, subscribe.